Nice. Let's go, guys. Let's go around. Hey. Hello, Kumamoto. So this is our third stop. First was Shanghai, second is Fukuoka, and now Kumamoto. Kumamoto isn't that popular in Japan, unlike Tokyo, Osaka, and Fukuoka. So this makes it more interesting. Let's check it out. Let's go. Hey guys, so breakfast time muna bago kami bumaba dito sa Kumamoto. And look, oh, this is the first time, ang laki kasi ng dining area, so you have a lot of choices. There are like four floors where you can find yung kainan. So may maraming libre at marami ring may bayad. So syempre we choose the one that's for, well, technically it's not for free because we paid for it. But you don't need to shell out additional pay. Look, oh, ang ganda ng view dito sa area. This is the hot pot area. Alexander, you like it? Yeah, it's all islands here. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, wait. Nice, no? This is such a nice experience here in Kumamoto. This is their museum, pero very interactive, guys. So different from Osaka, which was our last experience na parang ganito. Kasya ba tayo?
Yeah.
Hi, this is a video, right?
Hindi dapat ano.
Okay, and then stand. Stand.
这里的脚架是他们那时候的手机。
它是歪掉的。
There. Here.
他们很贴心哦，把一个脚架给你，然后你自己。
Okay. Nice, Kuya, the drums. Okay, so we're on our way to the castle. Medyo nakakapagod din siya, guys, kasi may parang inclined, although dun kami sa flat kasi syempre may stroller, pero medyo nakakapagod siya. Okay, let's see if this is the correct entrance. Hi. Hi. So bawal ang luggage dito. Nakakapagod to. Pero this is a good exercise. Right? Do you like the walking and the stairs? Such an exercise, guys. So be ready. Kung pupunta kayong Kumamoto Castle, kailangan kumain kayo para may energy at kailangan malakas ang mga buto para kakayanin ang mga stairs. Pero may elevator naman. After hundreds and hundreds of steps and round it is, guys. Oh, narinig nyo na mula kay Dr. Candice. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Let's have a photo here. So beautiful. Worth the wait and yung pagod. Palang pumasok, pero I don't think up to the top floor or sa lahat ng areas kasi nare-renovate daw. So tingnan natin kung hanggang saan lang mapupuntahan namin. Guys, we're on top of the mountain. Beautiful, guys. This is the framework model of the castle. Beautiful. Beautiful. Topmost. So it's like a viewing deck.
Well, this is the best view. You should have gone with more.
Wow. This is it. Ito yung makikita nyo sa taas, sa topmost ng Kumamoto Castle. Look at that view. Beautiful. Medyo ano siya, no, attic na talaga to, no, yung itsura, no. Castle, ikot sa dito Kumamoto Castle, syempre kainan na. Yeah, look, oh, it's matcha sorbet, matcha gelato. You have to try that, ate. Matcha, hot latte, everything matcha. Oh, this is very authentic salmon tempura. We're here in a nice, authentic Japanese restaurant. They're waiting for their orders.
It's okay.
Wow! Same kami ni Mommy. So guys, walkathon na tayo para sa pagpunta sa mall. Yeah. Oh, wait guys. Diba? So relaxing. Ang ganda ng weather. Same kahapon sa Fukuoka. Parang very walkable. So they stop pala if the... Kuya Wifey. They stop if dadaan yung pedestrian. So pedestrians dito are king. Ang saya. Nice walk. Ate, straight lang. Yun na ba yung mall? Is that the mall?
I told you I will like it.
Okay, very good. Oh, nice. Ay, naka. Nice, guys. Ang ganda ng Kumamoto talaga, guys. First time namin narinig yung pangalan ng Kumamoto when we got the cruise tour or package, but it's really nice. We had very low expectations, but it actually went more than our expectations. Yes. Oh no, walkable city. This is the mall. Tapos parang may beer something sila. Parang di ba Oktoberfest?
Baka.
Parang ganun.
We'll go
Nice.
inside the mall muna and then go to the beer.
Okay.
Wow, there's a Pokemon. You wanna
Ito yung parang ano nila, mall. Mukhang maganda naman. Looks nice. Ay. Siyempre, travel won't be complete without a little bit of shopping.
Tesla cars.
Oh yeah, like the one in Taiwan, no? Taipei, remember?
This is the Pokemon door.
Alexander, you want to see the car?
Yay!
Wow! Saya.
Hindi tayo nagpa-picture.
Nice. The beer, like a beer garden or like an Oktoberfest. Lextom's Pokemon successful, right, Kuya? Yeah, it's a bit burger pala. Yeah. And then everything is everything is beer. Guys, look at that train. Nice.
Alexander,
Everything Super Mario. Hoy, matatamaan mo sila. Daming kainan dito. So ito, hindi pa namin nakakainan, pero mostly continental food, coffee, and mga yan. And a lot of sandwiches. So this is called Cafe 270. Let's try it here. Pala dito ang roast beef, I'm mistaken, and some food. Yes. So ang daming kainan dito. Tapos wala tong bayad na additional kasama na sa package. So doon naman yung hot sandwiches and panini, which I mentioned as mga drinks. So ngayon naman, mag-bump car tayo, right, Kuya?
Yes!
And this one's for free. Meron din may bayad kayong VIP. Syempre doon kami sa hindi na kailangan magdagdag sa pinayad sa package.
Let's ride the pink one!
Cool.
Let's ride the
5
pink
years
one!
old and above, pwede. Tapos dapat 42 inches yung height para payagang sumakay dito sa bump car.
参加部落车的最小年龄为5周岁，5到12周岁的小朋友想要
Guys, kami na. Yan si Lexi. Where's Kuya Lextom? Kuya Lextom, I can't see Lexi. Let's do this, guys. Lexi! Lexi! There's Kuya. lightning strikes. Actors, mukhang maganda to. They're introducing the characters. Yeah.